This week, we're touring a 2004 Lazzara 80 named Coraggio. She has an overall length of 80 feet, beam of 20 feet 1 inch, and draws a draft of 4.5 feet. Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. Stepping aboard, the massive hydraulic teak swim platform doubles as a tender lift, holding a 14-foot AB tender powered by a Yamaha 60. Taking a peek inside the watertight engine room, we see the twin Caterpillar C30 engines, twin 21.5 kilowatt Anand generators, and the rest of the mechanicals. Check out the link in the description for a full list of all the engine room equipment. From here, let's head up the transom steps to check out the cockpit. It rained the previous evening, so the teak floors were a bit wet. With comfortable seating for 6 to 8, the cockpit also includes a refrigerator, sink, and storage to port. Over on the starboard side, there is a ladder to the upper deck. The primary access is from the salon, and docking controls for the thrusters, horn, engine shutdown, and throttle. In addition to the transom doors, there are side entrances to port and starboard. So now let's go inside. Within the salon, we find 2 armchairs flanking the large retractable TV to starboard and an L-shaped gray upholstered sectional sofa with glass and stainless steel coffee table to port. With custom cherry wood joinery and custom ceiling medallions, the finishes strike a nice balance between opulent and modern. Moving forward to the formal dining area, there is a glass and chrome table to accommodate 6, 2 built-in custom cabinets for glassware, plates, and linens, and built-in cherry cabinetry with storage along the stairs leading down to the midship guest quarters. Now, continuing forward, we enter the galley. With this large island, the galley features a Samsung refrigerator and freezer with indoor ice and water dispenser, KitchenAid Superba stove, Frigidaire 4-burner electric stovetop, General Electric microwave, a Calamera wine cooler, KitchenAid trash compactor, 2 Sub-Zero drawer freezers, new quartz countertops throughout the galley, and plenty of storage below the island. In lieu of a lower Helm station, there is a U-shaped dinette and table. Forward of the galley is access to 2 staterooms that can be used for guests or crew. At the base of the stairs, we find the first of 2 sets of clothes washers and dryers. The first stateroom has 2 single beds, large hanging locker, and storage cabinet. Just outside the stateroom, there is a shared head with single vanity, shower stall, and toilet. Across the hall, we find another VIP or captain stateroom with full-size bed, hanging locker, and ensuite with single vanity, toilet, and walk-in shower. These are really nice bonus rooms to have on the boat. Before we check out the remaining staterooms, let's head back up and take the inside stairs to the Skylounge. As we do, if you haven't done so already, this would be a great time to hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Aside from plenty of seating, the fully enclosed Skylounge also features a flat-screen TV, hidden U-line refrigerator, and a bar cart. The Skylounge deck includes a Korean table with built-in seating and shade umbrella. To starboard, there is storage with a sink, and to port, there is storage with the Miele barbecue grill. What you can't see is a concealed portside hydraulic davit with telescopic and power rotation features. The Helm station features an electronic adjustable captain's chair, 3 updated Garmin monitors, bow and stir thrusters, ABT track stabilizers, and a host of other controls. Check out the link in the description for more details. Now, let's make our way to the primary and VIP staterooms. Moving forward from the stateroom foyer, to starboard we find the first of 2 mirrored VIP staterooms. Featuring a queen-size bed, it has a large hanging locker with full-length mirrored door, and private ensuite with shower stall, single vanity with good counter space, and an electric toilet. Before leaving the room, I'll point out the built-in corner storage unit with TV. And now, to port, we enter the mirrored VIP stateroom. Again with the queen-size bed, hanging locker, and ensuite, which appeared to be locked while I was touring the boat. So let's go check out the primary stateroom. Making my way across the stateroom foyer, I find the second washer and dryer set and linen closet. One enters the primary stateroom through double cherry doors. Where to start? There is a massive walk-in closet featuring built-in cabinetry with shelves, cubbies, and drawers. A makeup desk with plenty of storage on either side. Frosted windows for privacy. It boasts a king-size bed with matching nightstands. Crossing the room, there's plenty of built-in storage and cabinetry and a nice seating area. And finally, as we enter into the impressive ensuite, we have a dual sink vanity, dual-purpose jetted tub and 2-person shower stall, electric toilet, and built-in linen storage. This is a great yacht. And if you enjoyed this tour, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. We really appreciate your support. See you next time.